Good morning, Charlie. Good morning, Buster. Good morning, Kaz. Look at this beautiful sunrise. Let's go, everybody. It's time for breakfast. I can hear Tuka. Tuka doesn't like to wait so long. Come on, Charlie. Do. Come on, Kaz. Do. Buster. Buster, baby. Come on. Come on, Buster. Come on, Buster. Come on. Get your old buddy. Get your old little booty up. Come on, old booty. Get up. Get up, old booty. Come on. I know. It's early. Really? Really don't want it? Charlie, tell him. Come on, Buster. Come on, Buster. Good boy. Thank you. I know it's so early. Big stretch, Kaz. Oh, gotta unlock it. Why is it up? Go ahead, Charlie. Alright. Tuka, stay. You stay, Tuka, stay. Alright. Everyone? Do we got everyone? Buster! Yay! We got everyone all at once. Time to go to bed. I didn't go to bed last night because I was editing my video. Yes, very cool. The life of an editor. It is 6:09. Hopefully I'm going to sleep till 12/1. That's like 6-7 hours of sleep, Baruni. Let's get it. It's 12:30.
I'm ransacking Gubby's house.
Hannah comes in. I'm sleeping nice and peacefully and soundly, and then all of a sudden, the whole world, my whole life flashes before my eyes. My whole life flashes before my eyes, Kaz. I'm gonna go shower, and I'm gonna let out the dogs and feed them.
And cook Logan breakfast.
I mean, not feed them.
Not feed them. Puppies coming one by one. Buster, come on. Slow guy. Come on, Buster. There he comes, there he comes, there he comes. Out he goes. Oh, nope, just kidding. Buster. Come on. Buster? Well, this is awkward. He's drinking water, so maybe he's gonna come outside after he's finished. Now it's time to make Logan's breakfast. I'm not gonna do any cool transitions, sorry about it, but I don't know how, really, so. POV, you're the fridge. Is that cool? You like that? I don't know if Logan's gonna want a parfait or if he'd really have time to eat it. But I guess we'll pull that out too. Ugh, this fridge is really full of stuff, guys. Struggling. Meow, meow, meow. That's my transitions. Sriracha, cream cheese, blueberries. Ah! Ooh. Wow, vlogging is hard. I don't even know if I'm, like, if you can see me right now. Crazy. Okay. Pepper jack, bagels, and granola. All right. I think this is everything. Time to, boom. Just as good as Logan's, I think.
And it's feeding time. Hannah just went home to get ready, and they're gonna pick me up on their way to the beach because I gotta scrounge, obviously. Very good job, Hannah. Everyone say epic mealtime Hannah in the comments because look at how beautiful this looks. Time to eat it, and then we'll be off. And that's food done, and I'm just waiting for Hannah to come pick me up, and then we'll be on our way. And it's time to leave. I'll see you later, Charlie. And we're at the beach. It's 92 degrees out, but it's a nice little breeze coming through because we're at the shore, so it's not that bad.
You want to go for a walk down the jetty?
Gonna sit on the beach for like a million years and do nothing, and then go eat food. Hannah doesn't know where her phone is, so we're going to check the car.
Yep.
Losing her ring, losing her phone. What else are you gonna lose? Oh no. There it is. Wah. We got the phone. Ding. Now back to the beach to sit in silence for a million years.
Not silence.
Sit in what?
Love.
You just read a book though.
No, I don't.
What do you do?
Big jump.
Oh. We're back. We're back to our little sitting spot.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Off to eat food.
Do you want to see their menu? I don't know if they even have stuff other than seafood.
Madeline's gonna pull up their menu. Hannah's playing Clash of Clans. Are you clashing? Oh,
You can take it.
here's the menu. Here's the menu.
Cool menu.
That's
Holy
long.
menu. When I taste the honey mustard, it tastes like iron.
Iron mustard.
Ew.
Yummy food.
Iron food. What?
Oh, I know. My poor little littles. Oh. Stay down. Right. I know. Here we go. Go ahead, Buster. Go ahead, Buster. Buster, go. Outside. Go for it. Hey, we're hungry. Tuka's still chowing. 8:20, latest they've been fed this whole time because we were at the beach a little later than we thought we'd be. Big L. But we got them fed, and now it's time to clean out the litter box. Not looking forward to this because I haven't done it since Friday? No, Tuesday. Haven't done it since Tuesday. So let's see how this is. Alrighty. Oh wow, that's a huge clump. Holy moly, such a deep litter box. My legs are starting to hurt. Wow. That was rough. Time to go throw this out and wash my hands. Alright, we're all settled. Except Charlie's still outside. Getting him inside, her inside right now. Welcome back, Charlie. All fed. Tuka fed, Buster fed, Kaz fed, Charlie fed. Litter box taken care of. Beach was nice, relaxing. A little cold, but it was good. Yummy food afterwards. I'm gonna put up a picture of a sad thing. Charlie's going sicko mode up there. A sad thing that happened to me today. It will haunt me for the rest of my life in Pokemon Go. Put up a picture right here. This is just sadness. If you don't play Pokemon Go, you don't get it. But if you do, big L's. Big L's right there. I was on the highway, popped my daily adventure incense. We were driving way too fast, and every Pokemon I was getting, instantly running. I know. Yeah, like they're all upset about it. I'm upset about it too. I know, it sucks. Yeah, all running, and then I encounter 3 of the most rare encounters, and they all run too. And I knew they were gonna. But I'm going to go to a little fire with the boys tonight, so I'm just waiting around to get picked up. Why is he so loud, Tuka? Cool little perch you're doing here. Cool little stance. Campfire time. Hello, puppies. Hello, puppy. Oh, it smells like trash in here. Oh no, it smells like trash. Hi, Charlie. Hi, Charlie. Squeaky Charlie. Go one more time, everybody. One last time. Yeah, one last time. Are you ready, Kaz? Kaz, are you ready? Kaz, you ready? Are you ready to go out? Okay, let's go. Boom. And here we go. Oh no, Charlie took out toys. And that's it for today. Another late freaking night. Oh my gosh. 12:40. Oh my. Gotta edit this. And I definitely underestimated yesterday when I said I would only be up till 3, and I was up till 5, literally up till the next day when I need to feed them. I'm gonna say thanks for watching, and remember, only this percentage of people are subscribed, and that's like, I mean, like, those aren't good percentages, so those could definitely be better percentages. So make sure you're subscribed down below. Scroll down below the video, press the subscribe button, and maybe like even comment. Say, what was your favorite part of the vlog? Favorite part of the video? Maybe comment that. Maybe you drop a like down there. Maybe drop kick the like button. Maybe just absolutely sucker punch it right in the like button. All right, bye-bye. See you tomorrow.